Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. In today's video, I have the Lego EV3. Thank you, Kyle. I would not have been able to do an EV3 video without you, again, donating that kit to me. I really appreciate it, and it's so cool to be able to work with the EV3 again. So what I did today is made a launcher. I've done other launchers in the past, but this guy's really simplistic, super easy to make. And what it does is allow me to do really cool trick shots. So today what I want to do is just show you how easy and simple this was to build, and then definitely show you the trick shots I was able to do with this guy. So let's take a look at it.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Again, I would love to get your support for this channel by joining Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics membership program. It's just, you can choose your tier of program that you would donate to this channel, and you would definitely get some cool perks to go along with whatever level tier you're on to support this channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so here is the launcher. Super easy. Just gave myself 4 picture frames here for the base. Gave myself 4 15-hole beams just for the tower here. 1 large motor, and that's it. It's just really cool. Let me just show you this real simple program. And so I would put a paper towel roll here. I'm going to put a cup in here for a trick shot. And all I do is press this button, 2-second wait, and it just launches whatever I want. So yeah, I could put a ping pong ball here if I want, anything. And then you can always modify this to hold whatever you want. And you know, you can have competitions with your friends. You can just try to do your own trick shots. This is really cool. So let me go ahead and go to some trick shots that I did with my launcher. Yes! Yes!
It's funny how I always have like preferences. Because like that kind of stuff I really don't care. Like I can stop in the middle of chapter page, middle of chapter, and I don't care. Then or more likely just to like do like
Yes! Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the EV3 launcher. Thank you to Kyle again for donating your kit to me. I really appreciate it, Kyle. It's so cool to see the EV3 brick again, to be able to work with these motors, cables, parts and pieces. Man, it's just so cool to get back to the EV3. So hopefully you guys liked how simple and cool this thing is. And man, it's going to be fun to hear what you guys are launching with this thing. Obviously, you can modify this to launch whatever you want. But for me, it was cups and paper towel rolls. That was really cool. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.